What's the deal with faceless YouTube channels and why are they becoming so popular? Well, think about it. By starting a faceless YouTube channel, you can protect your privacy, you can really make the content the focus. It's more comfortable and can help even camera-shy people be more confident when creating content, and you can make videos efficiently and scale your content easily. Lots of people are growing faceless YouTube channels and making a lot of money from them. So if you've always wanted to create content but were never really crazy about being on camera, here are 9 ideas for faceless YouTube channels. Travel is an insanely popular topic, and you can use plenty of footage from trips and adventures with voiceovers and never actually show your face. And you can easily use stock videos as well. You could also try animated storytime videos. These are a great way to let your creativity shine and make your stories come alive. Even if you aren't personally a digital artist, there are plenty of animation software to use, or you can use royalty-free images with voiceovers. Next, tech reviews. Think about it. Whenever you're about to purchase a new tech product, you probably search for some very thorough reviews first, right? You can film just your hands and the tech products while discussing their features and performance. That way viewers can really get a sense of visually how they look and how they work. Next, DIY and crafts. How-to type videos always perform very well on YouTube, and they are very searchable. So film your hands while you work on various projects and provide detailed step-by-step instructions through voiceovers. You could also try relaxing YouTube videos. Videos with relaxing music and scenery get a lot of watch time since people turn them on in the background while they do something else. So combine peaceful and serene stock imagery and soothing sounds. Another option is true crime. True crime has an incredibly dedicated and engaged fan base. So you can browse sites like Reddit for information and data that you can compile and present in videos. Simply use voice narration over crime scene images, reenactments, or existing news footage. You could also try video game walkthroughs. This is a great idea if you're already playing a lot of video games. Now you just have to record your gameplay. Record your gameplay and provide commentary on strategies, tips, and tricks. The focus is on your gaming skills and what's happening on the screen, making this a great faceless content idea. Or you could even try an ASMR channel. ASMR videos are designed to provide relaxation through various sounds and triggers. So showcase your hands or objects producing ASMR sounds, for example tapping or whispering, because your voice is central to ASMR and your face can remain off camera, or you can put stock images or videos on screen. And finally, content reviews. Think about what type of content you consume a lot of and what you could provide your review of. So this could be music, movies, podcasts, TV shows, video games, and then use clips, images, and stills from the content you're discussing. Your commentary and critique will be the main attraction. Plus, if you don't want to use your own voice and you want to remain completely anonymous, you can use LOVO AI's voice generator tool and access hundreds of natural sounding voices for your project. In fact, LOVO has all the tools you need for a faceless YouTube channel. You can access stock images and video footage, as discussed in this video, an AI script writing tool, AI sound effects, and auto subtitle tools. So if this video inspired you to create a faceless YouTube channel, but you want all of your creative tools in one place, click the link in the description for a 14-day free trial of LOVO. If you already have a faceless YouTube channel or you're ready to start one, tell us all about it in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future content creation tips.